Play in the water.
Look, you got Elmo for the bathtub. Look at that butt crack. I got his butt crack.
I need help with this one. I know what this is.
Yeah, it's for the
Hey, I
bathroom.
need help with this one.
So when you go take a bath, you can play in the bathtub.
Okay, I open one side, you open the other side.
No, hold on. Please hold on, John. It's okay. All right, here we go again. Caleb's over for another box.
I'll go for another. Oh, that I told you what.
Oh, that's from Amy. Oh, that is so cool. Look at the camera and say thank you, Amy.
Thank you, Amy.
Look at the camera and say it.
Thank you, Amy. Amy. Wait, over this one. See? He says Amy. Hey, I got old tool set.
You got tools, Caleb.
I'm gonna go play on that.
All right, we're gonna play on it as soon as we get everything done.
Shoot.
Tools. Can you say tools?
I can shoot.
You say shoot?
Yeah.
No, you got tools. That's so you can work on stuff, okay? Look at the camera and say thank you, everybody.
Thank you, Uncle Buddy.
Say Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Say I love you guys.
I love you guys.
Aw, okay. Wave bye the camera. We're hanging up now. Hanging up the camera. Wave bye. Wave bye.
Look.
Look, you got